Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to protect specific cells in a shared Google Sheet. To protect specific cells in Google Sheet, highlight the cells you want to secure. Let's say this one. Right? Click the Data menu and select Protect Sheet in Ranges. From the sidebar, click Set Permissions to restrict who can edit, right? Who can edit basically the cell and everything, right? Or to display a warning when someone tries to change them. So you can see I already added, right? Let me go to data, text sheet. You see that I already set a permission. You can change the permission if you already set one, right? Show a warning when editing this range, for example. If you want to enter a description, you can just go ahead and add a description, right? And hit done. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.